There's so much to do and so little time. But do you really make use of the time you have at your disposal? I'm David Stiernholm, and today in Done, I'll share how you can make the most of the small gaps in your everyday life. But first, you, the manager torn between long-term strategy and the day-to-day operations, is there a task you've gotten stuck on? There's always a verb to turn to, a verb that helps you get unstuck. In a short video, I share 8 kickstart verbs I've found. You'll find a link to it in the show notes. The workday has holes. Here and there, from time to time, small pockets of time arise between the bigger things we do. It's a few minutes between meetings, the moment on the way back from lunch, when you're about to board a plane, the short ride on the subway before the workday begins, waiting for the person you're meeting, if you're early for the meeting, waiting for your luggage to show up on the conveyor belt. You don't have to, but you can use these gaps to complete small tasks if you want. Tasks that don't require much concentration. It may be something that can be done quickly, but for some reason you didn't do it right away when you first became aware. These are likely tasks that can be done with the tools you have on hand, almost always your phone. For me, these small tasks could be skimming through an SEO report, composing a short text for a social media post, answering a quick question from someone taking one of my online courses, adjusting the coding for an expense I made, and much more. The key is to come up with these tasks, find them quickly, or have them presented to you as if on demand whenever you want. Do this. Let your to-do list help you. I assume it's digital, like mine, but you can do something similar if you have it in paper format. To make it easy for you to find these tasks when a gap appears, you can label them with a tag for tasks that can be done on the go. Call the tag or label or category or whatever it's called in the app you use. You can call this tag on the go or whatever you think is appropriate. When a gap arises and you want to take advantage of it, have your to-do list show only the on-the-go tasks. Choose one, complete it, and enjoy the satisfying feeling of getting it done. If you don't want to create another tag because you may already have many, make it a habit to always choose tasks with another suitable tag that you already have. When I want to take advantage of a gap, I choose a task with the phone tag because I almost always have my phone available when I have a gap, and I can do any task that only requires my phone as a tool. But of course, you don't have to fill every waking moment with productive work. But if you want to make the most of the small gaps in everyday life, these are the tasks you can do. Because if you get small tasks done on the go from one thing to another, they're done when you sit down to focus on the bigger tasks. When you finally get a more extended period of focused work, you have fewer small tasks to just do first before starting. You make better use of your more valuable work time and have more time for the most important tasks. Easier and smoother. What can these on-the-go tasks be for you? What are the small things you like to do in small gaps? Write to me at david@stiernholm.com and tell me, because perhaps I'll think of more small things I'll be happy to get done from now on. I also want to make the most of my valuable focus time. Thank you for today, and see you again next week.